I've used the Instagram portrait, but I'm not quite satisfied with it, so I'm going to type in Instagram reel, and yes. Okay, so here's Instagram reel. The aspect ratio is just what you need for creating reels. I'm going to search for sunset video, or maybe I'll just take from elements, sunset video, and yeah, here it is. And I'm going to drag all the way up and down all the corners so that it fits well to the canvas. And so now I'm going to search Polaroid frame. Here it is, Polaroid frame. I'm going to the graphics section, not the frames but the graphics section, and I'm going to add this one. Yes, drag a little bit so that it fits 50%. Yes, okay. So I'm going to write a text called "Take It Easy." You can write anything you want. So at the moment I just feel like writing "Take It Easy" because that's what I can think of. You can write whatever you want to. I'm just going with this. I'm going to increase the size of the text to up to 75%, 75 size, so that it's visible. Okay, this looks plain, so I'm going to add a handwritten font. Okay, let me look for something else. Okay, so let me take this font and I'm going to duplicate the video, and I'm going to crop it to square so that it fits the frame right there. I'm going to place it. I'm going to play it now. Oh, look at that. Okay, looks great, but I need to tweak a few changes here. I need to tweak a little bit here. I'm going to group the frame, the text into one, and frame and video to one. I'm going to drag it down so that the land you can see is somewhat closer to the video in the frame, the background and foreground video. I want these two to align a little bit, not completely but little bit. Oh yes, so this was the result I was looking for, and it has turned out really well. Okay, here's the tutorial for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.